Wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to renew conductor license in Karnataka. The link provided below here will help you in reaching our site wikiprocedure.com as well as the page Karnataka Renew Conductor License. Here on this page we have given detailed procedure along with information and instruction for an applicant to complete this procedure. Also you can see few links for external websites and forms which are again useful for completing the procedure. The importance of these links will be known to you in the due course of our presentation. Also, you can select your language of choice under the Select Language tab, which is provided on the top right corner of your page with the languages to select from. Select the language of your choice to understand this procedure easily. List of items covered in this session today: need to renew conductor license, documents required, how to apply, eligibility, validity, fees, processing time, offices and contacts, online resources, and other information. Today, this procedure is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com for you. Let us see the need to renew conductor license. See, conductor license is an official document issued by the state transport authorities for a person who can get a job in a stage carriage permit or any other vehicle transportation place where the conductor is required. This licensing formality has a set of rules which understand the fitness of the person who is applying for this and also the character of a candidate. So this conductor license has to be renewed at the time which you need to renew. No person shall act as a conductor of a stage carriage unless he holds an effective conductor license issued to him authorizing him to act as a conductor by the respective transport authorities. No person shall employ or permit any person who is not so licensed to act as a conductor of a stage carriage. So it is necessary to have a valid license. If your conductor license is reaching the validity period, make sure that you are applying for the renewal of conductor license for using them for your service. Let us see the documents required for this procedure. You need the application form, valid conductor license, 2 clear copies of recent photographs of the applicant, medical certificate, affidavit of the proof of address. For proof of age appropriate for relevant class of vehicle, you can use a ration card or voter ID or life insurance policy or passport or school certificate or birth certificate. Apart from this, if you can get the certificate granted by a registered medical practitioner not below the rank of a civil surgeon can be added. Otherwise, you can provide a self-swearing affidavit by before an executive magistrate or a first-class judicial magistrate or a notary public as evidence of your age. So any one of these can be used. For proof of residence, you need the attested copy. You can provide a ration card or voter ID or Aadhaar ID, payslip issued by central and state government, electricity bill, telephone bill, house tax receipt showing the name of the applicant can be used. If at all the applicant is not able to produce any of the above documents for a sufficient reason, the licensing authority may accept a affidavit sworn by the applicant before an executive magistrate or a first-class judicial magistrate or a notary public as evidence of a residence. Aadhaar card, a cash receipt or a treasury challan in token of payment of fee. Let us see how to apply in person. To renew conductor license in Karnataka, one has to go to the RTO office concerned for its area. Don't worry if you don't know the address of your local RTO office. Please use the link provided here to reach the contact page of the Karnataka state portal where you can check all the addresses of the RTO office. Please mark the address concerned for your area so that you can go directly and apply for this procedure. Make sure you have completed the application form which can be obtained from the respective RTO. The applicant should make sure they are eligible by reading the eligibility criteria as well as the and also you should make sure that you are having all the required documents which are specified in the required document section, because missing out one document your application stands rejected. Application form can also be applied from the appropriate RTO office and completed the application without any mistakes, and submit the application along with the bunch of documents required to an officer there. He will mark the amount on the counter which you need to pay. Go to the counter, on your turn submit the application form and the documents and pay the appropriate fees. where they will accept your requirement document and start processing internally. They might verify the details. They might ask for certain details to be provided by the applicant. Once the medical certificate or fitness along with the certificate showing the competence to undertake first aid work in such situation is the mandatory one. So once all these details are scrutinized, they will check the form number 1 and 1A, so that your medical fitness is also apt for renewal, which will be issued as per the subdivision hospital or rural hospital or civil hospital or civil or after the verification of documents and relevant queries, authorities will process their official recordings. If the license authority is satisfied with your application and the medical fitness, your renewal will be taken care and a renewed conductor license will be issued. Let us see how to apply online. To apply online, make sure that you have all the documents scanned and kept in place. Use the Parivahan portal link provided here to reach the home page of Parivahan portal, like this, and select Karnataka under the state name. Once you select Karnataka, you will get a page like this, and we are going to deal with services on conductor license. Hit services on conductor license. You will get a page like this. Please enter the details as prompted and hit proceed, so that you will get the next page where you will be asked to enter prompted details and upload required documents. Once you complete all the formalities, you will get an acknowledgement. Take a printout of the acknowledgement as well as application form. Go to the RTO office on the set date before 11:30 a.m. and submit these documents to an officer there. He will mark the amount on the counter in which you need to pay. Go to the counter, pay the fees and submit these documents. They will accept the document and start processing as per how they apply in how they process as per how to apply in person procedure to get the renewed conductor license. Eligibility: applicant with valid conductor license are eligible. They must have satisfactory proof of this good character. Validity: usually conductor license is valid for a period of 3 years from the date of issue and eligible to use throughout the state for which it is issued. Fees: RTO authorities may provide you fee details. We also have provided a link here which will help you in reaching the fee related page, where you understand the amount of money you need to spend for the kind of service which you opt for. Processing time: it's a one-day process. Officers and contacts: Commissioner for Transport and Road Safety, Shantinagar, Bengaluru 27. PRO detail and email details are provided here for verification of your doubts and compliance. Also, the link provided below here, which we have already explained about finding the RTO office addresses, are useful for an applicant to get the details. Online resources: all these links provided here will give direct access to the website portals which we have used so far. All these websites are very important in providing the details for completing the procedure. So we have provided these websites as direct links in our portal at appropriate places to save your valuable time. Other information: a conductor license may at any time be revoked by the licensing authority if that authority has the reasonable grounds to believe that the holder of the license is suffering from any disease or disability which is not apt for this profession. So hope this video helped you. Don't forget to give us a like and hit subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to renew conductor license in Karnataka.